Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with FX Market Insight for Tuesday, the 11th of August. All right, now as we come into the Asian session, the trading conditions are still pretty good, right? The majors are trading technically very well, and we're starting to see a bit of a flow and ebb of US dollar momentum. At the moment, looks like the dollar could be going up, and this is the residual from the stronger non-farm payrolls from Friday, still sort of hanging in the market and keeping the dollar quite buoyant. Now, with the looking at trading in the market now, there's a potential here. If I just scroll that down just a touch, you'll notice that the legend here, potential reversal. There's a number of potential reversals here. And welcome back to the US dollar index on the chart here. The dollar Swiss, Euro, Aussie, Kiwi. Now, the dollar has been going down. If it goes up just a little bit higher, the dollar index, we're going to start to see, we should see dollar Swiss kick into the top side as well. And that will be the catalyst for some of these longer term levels to break, especially Euro and Aussie and definitely the Kiwi. The Kiwi at the moment, and I'll give you a look at the charts, looks like it's got the best setup and a breakdown through 65.72. To me, it looks like a pretty good opportunity. Now, just coming over to the charts, once again, you won't see a lot of the detail just by looking at the hourly charts. But you can see here the Euro is starting to lead everything, and it's almost starting for a little run here. I like the fact that we've got a current support level on the Kiwi, and that's going to give us a potential entry on the downside, whereas the Aussie sort of lost that level. It's already sort of drifted through, as has sterling. Now, dollar CAD just sort of trading sideways, and you're starting to see dollar yen start to tweak to the top side, but still it's within recent ranges. Now, if you do have meta stock, right, and you're looking at something like the Kiwi, this is what we're talking about when you look at multiple time frames. So I've got the hourly chart here. You can see it just starting to drift lower. We've got a potential entry here. Looking at the longer term, going back to March 2020 on the daily chart here, you can see where it's coming up to support. I would expect a bunch of stop losses to be below 65.72. Ideally, we want some US news, like strong news or a strong positive news event out of the US to get this thing moving, the dollar moving up, and that's going to create the momentum we need for these opportunities. So just have a look through your charts there. It's I think it's very appealing. I mean, it's only coming to the end of Monday in the North American session, so there's no rush to jump into it, but the setups are there. And what I've done is I've just updated the sort of current trades in play. If you click on the key level, right, there's a hyperlink there. That'll take you to a bit of a chart. You can sort of see exactly what we're looking at. And this is the chart I just showed you there, the daily chart on the Kiwi. All right, and that's pretty much it, guys. There's plenty of opportunity starting now, okay? We've had Monday's trading. The currencies have reconnected. There's no crazy gaps in the market. We've got that little bit of US dollar momentum there. Where's my little pen? Okay. As I said, we've got that move up here from the non-farm payrolls. We've got another level here. This is going to open up another sort of almost 100-point move on the dollar index. That should equate to at least 100 points down on most of these pairs. So to me, potential reversal, US dollar back in the groove. Obviously, the Donald can swing things around, but at the moment, the news, there's talk about what's going to happen with the US aid package and a few other things. But not a hell of a lot of fresh news, right? No changes. This is what I'm talking about. If we can get a little bit of nice positive tone here, we could be very well seeing the dollar bounce, and that's going to create us the opportunities. Just looking at the key pairs here, most of the dollar pairs are going up, and the other pairs are going down. This is a sign that we've got some uniformity across the markets, excuse me, and that's what we'd like to see. All right, guys, that's it from me. Good setups. Plenty of potential this week. Cheerio.